Do you want to know how to make your Furrion backup camera connect to the right spot on your Furrion monitor? Stick around, because that's what I'm fixing to show you. Hey y'all, I'm Cole, and this is Younger Every Day. So basically, we sold most of our stuff in Texas, packed up the kids and the dog, and headed out. Now we're RVing full time, and we're loving this crazy life. On this channel, we take you on amazing adventures. We do product reviews, we share tips and tricks for RV living, and we give other tips on products kind of like this one. So if you're new here, click subscribe to join the Younger Gang, and don't forget to ring the bell so you never miss out on any of the fun. If you'd like to check out some of our other videos, you can click it right up here to get all caught up. Today, I'm going to show you how to pair your Furrion camera with the monitor. In this case, a lot of people have asked this question about how do you do it. In fact, I had the question and I talked about it in a previous video. If you'd like to check that one out, you can click up here. This came up when I connected my camera to the monitor and the camera paired with the spot labeled door on the monitor rather than rear. In fact, a lot of people have asked us about how to do this, and I promised I would show you how to do it. So here we go. I almost forgot. Stick around to the end and I'll show you a different way to do this that might prove even easier for you. The key is you've got to have access to the pairing button on the bottom of the camera, and of course you've got to have power for the monitor and the camera. So if your camera's connected to your running lights on your RV, you need to make sure that those are powered on, whether you've got it connected to your tow vehicle or whatever. Once that's done, you can follow these simple steps to pair your camera with the right spot on your monitor. The next thing you'll do is plug your monitor into a 12-volt power outlet. If you have one of those in your RV, you can use that, or you can use the one in your tow vehicle. In my case, I'm gonna use the one in our truck. Once the camera comes on, if it's like ours, it's going to show up that the rear camera is actually connected to a different location, like the door. As you can see, the rear is empty and door is where it's showing. And this has happened to a lot of viewers as well. So to fix that, we're gonna tap the button on the side to get into the menu, then we'll tap pairing on the screen. Now we'll go down and we'll tap 4 rear cam to pair up with that one. And now Connor's gonna help me out by tapping the pairing button on the back of the camera on the RV. As you can see, now we have that little red icon showing that we've connected, and then out on the camera screen we see that it's also lit up red showing it's connected. And now we'll go out to the main view, back to that auto view, and if we'll give it just a second, it should load up showing us that we're now paired to cam 4. Ah, there it goes. As promised, here's an even easier way to make this work, as long as you can get your camera off the back of your camper. Turn it around and you'll check out that wire that normally plugs into your camper. You're going to plug that into the little female adapter off of the back of your 12-volt adapter, which is right here. Plug that together. Now, when I plug the 12-volt adapter into the 12-volt power outlet, it'll power up both the monitor and the camera at the same time. Then we'll plug the 12-volt adapter into the 12-volt power outlet in the truck. As we power it up, we'll see that that monitor has got the camera showing us a nice view of the interior of the truck, but it is still in that door position rather than the rear slot. So let's go ahead and fix that. We'll go into the pairing menu by hitting this button on the side. Then we'll tap pairing. Then we'll go down here to rear cam. Be sure we click the button over here. Now we'll see that we're paired. And if we go back to our main screen, I have to give it a second. Oh, didn't even take long. It's paired up now with the rear location versus the door. So that's how to pair your Furrion camera to the right location on your Furrion monitor. The right location being the one you want it to be in. Because some people don't care if it's on the door, but other people like me would like it to be where it says rear. Now I want to know, have you had this problem? If so, did you try my steps and did it work for you? Let me know in the comments below. I hope this video helped you out and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure and give me a thumbs up and let me know you liked it. Also, if you haven't already, click subscribe to join the Younger Gang so you can be a part of our awesome community. Also, I hope you'll check some of our other videos out right over there. So, having a problem with our Furrion backup camera and having a lot of people ask us how to fix it and then sharing that with you, that's just another way we're living younger every day. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one.